everybody and welcome to a new tutorial. My name is Mint and today I'm going to become a Lego figure. I have this Lego Friends figure right here and she is going to become me. Yep, I'm pretty excited about this tutorial because it involves me. If you like this video, don't forget to leave a like and a comment down below so that I can know that you really love this video and I can start a series of maybe LOL dolls becoming Lego figures. That's going to be super amazing and I can't wait to be a Lego figure. Let's go and it's time to get started. The first thing we are gonna do is to open this Lego Friends figure that I have here. She plays golf. We are going to transform the doll into Missy Unicorn. Let's get started. And now let's transform this beautiful doll into one of our favorite LOL dolls. Let's go. I'm gonna take the stick, we take the shoes and the hair. It's time to start painting. Let's start by painting the legs yellow. We should use 2 or 3 layers of paint. Let's paint the other leg. And we let it dry. We apply a second layer. We let it dry and we apply one last layer until we have the color that we want. And now we are gonna paint the shirt completely white. Let's paint the skirt white as well. We let it dry and we apply a second layer when it's completely dry. Now let's paint the hair with white acrylic paint. Now we are gonna paint the shoes with green acrylic paint. For the skirt, we are gonna use 3 colors. First, we are gonna use We are almost ready to go. We are gonna add some details to the shirt. And now we are gonna start making the hairstyle. We need to make 2 ponytails. Pretty simple. You could add glue to the base to secure the hairstyle. Now we are gonna paint the bangs with 3 different colors. We are gonna use pink, green, and the middle purple. We paint one line in one of the ponytails pink, and we paint the other side with green acrylic paint. We are gonna add the ears, the horn, and 3 flowers to the center. This is going to be our headband. We paint everything the same colors that we use for the bangs. Are you ready for the final result? We only need to add the hairstyle to the doll. This is the final result. I really love how this one turned out. Let me know in the comments if you want me to make more Lego figures with the LOL Dolls characters. Also, let me know in the comments if you want me to customize other type of dolls, other type of toys. I would love to do that. And if you're not part of the Mint family, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and turn on notifications so you never miss one of my videos. I love you a lot. I will see you soon. Mint out. Bye bye.